Miss Shelley here. Today we are going to do a science experiment that is delicious. We are going to make ice cream. Here's what we'll need. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 cups of ice cubes, and 1/2 cup of salt. We also need 2 baggies, a big one and a little one. I'm using almond milk and sea salt for my ingredients, but you can use whatever kind of milk and salt that you like. All right, friends, let's look at our recipe. First, we wash our hands, then we open the small baggie. We add sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and then we close the small baggie. We open the big baggie, and we add ice and salt, and then we add the small baggie. We close up the big baggie and make sure it's really tight, because then we're going to shake and shake and shake. It might take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We just keep shaking until it looks like ice cream. And then we eat the ice cream. And then we clean up. Here is our small baggie. First, we add in the sugar. Next, we add in the milk. Next, we'll add the vanilla extract. Just a little bit of the flavoring. And now, we're gonna close the baggie really tight. You don't want any of this to escape. All right, friends, I've got my big baggie, and now I'm gonna add 4 cups of ice. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and here's 4. I've got my salt. I'm gonna add it on top of the ice. All right, here's the big bag with salt and ice, and now we add the small bag inside the big baggie. Now we are going to seal it tight. Nothing should come out of this baggie. You can even tape it closed if you want to be really safe. The big baggie is closed, and now we are going to shake. It's really cold, so you can wrap it in a towel to make it feel more comfortable, or hold it in oven mitts. It's been about 3 minutes, so I'm checking on it. And now, it's not liquid anymore. It's starting to look and feel like ice cream. I'm gonna shake for 2 more minutes, and we'll see if it's ready to eat. All right, friends, it's been 5 minutes, and I think my ice cream is ready. The bag's pretty wet, so I'm drying it off. You can put this into a bowl to eat, or you can eat it right out of the baggie. You can add toppings to it too. I'm gonna add some pink sprinkles. And now it is time to eat the ice cream. Absolutely delicious. Friends, thank you for cooking along with me today. We're eating our ice cream, then it'll be time to clean up, and then I'll see you again next time. Bye.